What's up, YouTube? Are you looking for a nice lightweight floor plan? Today, I want to go over the brand new 13MJ by Sunset Park RV. This is a 13-foot trailer. It's got a bed in the front, a mid-side Jiffy sofa in the center. Let's check this camper out and let me know what you think. Alright, as we do a quick pan around this camper, let's go over some specs. The total dry weight of this 13MJ is 2460. Hitch weight, 240 pounds. Total cargo carrying capacity weight is 1240 pounds. The length including the tongue, 16'2". Height including the AC, 9'9". Interior height is 6'6 inches. Exterior width is 7'6 inches. Now, let's go through a walkthrough and check this camper out. The exterior width is 7.5 feet. It comes with a 9-foot electric awning with an LED light strip underneath. Comes with a 2-step solid step for the entrance. On the front, you'll see it comes with a 20-pound propane tank. The manual tongue jack with a 2-inch coupler. You can flip around this tongue jack and use a drill adapter on it or do it by hand. We do have a breakaway brake on here and a 7-pin round wiring with trailer brakes. Over on the side is going to be our L-shaped brackets for the battery and battery box with a battery disconnect switch. Over here we do have 4 stabilizer jacks all the way around. Some outside storage that I'll pop open right now once I grab the key. The outside storage goes all the way across and it is nice and wide. We do have a baggage door holder for that as well. And now we're going into our fire escape window and our gutter system with our ladder connection bracket. That's for a ladder lipper on the go ladder. Here's our coaxial cable connection for that TV inside if we want satellite or cable. Here's our water connections with our city water connection and our fresh water connection to fill up that tank. Here's our 30-amp power cord plug. Down underneath we have our dump station. Gray is okay, black is for crap. Gray is for the drains, black is for the toilet. We have fresh water drains under here in our fresh water tank. Our other quarter stabilizer jack. Right there is a square bumper that we can store things inside or attach accessories off the back. Here is going to be our external shower with hot and cold water. Spray off yourself, spray off the kids, spray off the pets, or spray off your clothes. Here's our hood vent. Make sure you pop open that little blocker. That way you're getting that exhaust out instead of keeping it in and fumigating yourself. We are camera prepped for the center light in the back if you want to throw a backup camera in there. We do have a 5,000 mount BTU air conditioner. Full-size spare tire in the back. Into the furnace exhaust and the 6-gallon water heater. This is just a gas water heater. Full-size spare tire on the back. And now over onto the porch side with the outside propane connection. We have some 120 volt power plugs on the outside there. Nice screen door. Let's get in this thing. 13MJ, mid-jiffy. When we first walk in, we're going to see that 54 by 74 front bed with the wardrobe closet right next to it. And the shelf up top. Shelf goes all the way across the front. Over here is a plug, and we've got a light under there. Underneath the bed, we do have underbed storage. Now we're going to the cabinets above the mid-jiffy. Jiffy sofa, also known as jackknife sofa. We have our hood, 2-burner stove, and our jackknife sofa. This is also known as a jiffy sofa. Comes with our fresh water tank underneath it. Grab the back to help support it and bring it right back into a sofa. Then we're going into our kitchen area. Storage underneath the stove, some countertop space, big old sink, drawer, heater blower, underneath sink storage. Then into the bathroom. Bathroom, we have the shower with the overhead vent and fan. Medicine cabinet in there with a mirror. Into our toilet. Then outside of there, we're going into our fuse box and our carbon monoxide detector and our 12-volt fridge with the freezer door. We also have some shelving room up top of there with some plugs and a place to put our TV if we'd like one. Over here's our master control panel with our thermostat, our 12-volt fridge switch to turn that on and off. And then here's our light switches, our water pump, water heater, awning switches, and then our levels for all of our water and our battery. Then right above that, we've got our solar charge controller. This is the Sunset Park Sunlight 13MJ. A brand new floor plan to the LTD line. All right, we made it to the end of the video again. I appreciate you all for sticking around. If you like these videos, I do weekly uploads, camper walkthroughs, camper comparisons, and I live in a converted van. So please do me a favor and just keep on coming back. Thanks for watching, everyone.